Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Time to Listen. In the vast expanse of space where radio waves traverse the cosmic distances, a singular moment captured the attention of astronomers and ignited the imagination of the world. This enigmatic and momentary burst of radio energy, detected on August 15, 1977, continues to be a cosmic puzzle that challenges our understanding of the universe. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss new stories. And also, write a comment what story you would like to hear next. The discovery of the WOW signal marked a pivotal moment in the history of radio astronomy, captivating the scientific community and sparking widespread interest in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. The sequence of events leading to the detection of this enigmatic signal unfolded on August 15, 1977, at the Ohio State University's Big Ear Radio Telescope. The Big Ear Radio Telescope was a large fixed radio dish located at the Perkins Observatory in Delaware, Ohio. Designed for the purpose of radio astronomy, the telescope was equipped with a unique and innovative radio receiver system. This system scanned the sky in search of radio signals from celestial sources, covering a broad spectrum of frequencies. The WOW signal was discovered by astronomer Jerry Ehman, who was working on the SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence project at the time. The telescope's computer system was designed to record data on punched cards, producing printed output that represented the intensity of radio signals received at different frequencies. On August 15, 1977, Ehman was reviewing the printout of data from the telescope's observations when he encountered an unexpected and exceptionally strong signal. Lasting for precisely 72 seconds, the signal exhibited characteristics that distinguished it from typical cosmic background noise. The intensity of the signal was remarkable, peaking at 30 times the background level. Ehman's reaction to the discovery was immediate and instinctive. As he scanned through the printout and saw the unusually intense signal, he circled the sequence of numbers corresponding to the signal's frequency and amplitude. In the margin of the printout, he penned the word "WOW" to express his astonishment at the strength and uniqueness of the signal. The notation 6EQJ5 was used to represent the signal's intensity, with each letter corresponding to the intensity levels observed during the 72-second duration of the WOW signal. This alphanumeric code has since become synonymous with the mysterious event. The WOW signal held significant scientific importance due to its unexpected intensity and the fact that it matched the expected frequency of the hydrogen line, a fundamental and abundant element in the universe. The signal's narrowband nature and brief duration puzzled astronomers, as it did not fit the typical profile of terrestrial interference or known celestial sources. Despite efforts to explain the signal's origin through various hypotheses, signal has remained a singular event in the annals of radio astronomy. Its discovery marked a turning point in the quest for extraterrestrial signals, inspiring continued efforts to explore the cosmos for signs of intelligent life. As technology has advanced, astronomers and researchers have undertaken more sophisticated and comprehensive searches for similar signals, building upon the legacy of the WOW signal and fueling the ongoing exploration of the mysteries that lie beyond our planet. The WOW signal displayed characteristics that set it apart from typical celestial radio sources. It was a narrowband signal, meaning it occupied only a small range of frequencies. What intrigued scientists the most was the signal's intensity, peaking at 30 times the background noise. The signal's frequency matched that of hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe, leading to speculation about its potential extraterrestrial origin. The WOW signal, with its intriguing characteristics and singular occurrence, has been the subject of extensive speculation and debate within the scientific community. While numerous hypotheses have been proposed to explain the enigmatic signal, none have provided a definitive answer. The lack of repetition and the unique nature of the signal have fueled ongoing debates and discussions. Some researchers suggested that the WOW signal might have originated from a passing comet. Comets release radio waves as they interact with the solar wind, and a strong radio signal could result from such an interaction. This hypothesis faces challenges, as comets are expected to produce continuous signals as they traverse the sky. The transient and non-repeating nature of the WOW signal doesn't align with the expected behavior of a comet-generated signal. Another possibility considered was that the signal originated from a terrestrial source, such as a satellite or ground-based transmitter, causing interference with the radio telescope. Extensive efforts were made to identify potential Earth-based sources matching the characteristics of the WOW signal, but none were found. Additionally, the lack of repetition and the narrow-band nature of the signal raised doubts about terrestrial interference. Some scientists proposed that the WOW signal could have a natural interstellar origin. The frequency matching the hydrogen line led to speculation that the signal might be a unique cosmic phenomenon. While interstellar radio emissions are a subject of interest, the transient and intense nature of the WOW signal remains challenging to explain within the framework of known cosmic processes. Perhaps the most tantalizing hypothesis is that the WOW signal could be an intentional radio transmission from an extraterrestrial civilization. The frequency matching the hydrogen line is considered a potential beacon for communication. This hypothesis faces skepticism due to the lack of repetition and the absence of any corroborating evidence. The scientific community emphasizes the need for caution when attributing such signals to extraterrestrial intelligence. Some researchers have suggested that natural interference or instrumental artifacts could be responsible for the WOW signal. Radio telescopes can sometimes pick up signals from terrestrial sources, and instrumental issues could lead to false readings. While instrumental artifacts are always a consideration in radio astronomy, thorough investigations have not identified any technical issues or local sources that could account for the unique characteristics of the WOW signal. A speculative hypothesis suggests that the WOW signal may be part of a pattern of intermittent signals from extraterrestrial sources that operate sporadically. This idea raises questions about the nature and purpose of intermittent signals, and until additional similar signals are detected, it remains a speculative explanation. The debates and hypotheses surrounding the WOW signal underscore the complexities of interpreting transient cosmic events. Despite ongoing technological advancements and the continued search for extraterrestrial intelligence, the WOW signal remains a cosmic mystery, challenging scientists to explore new avenues of inquiry and expanding our understanding of the universe. One of the primary challenges in unraveling the mystery of the WOW signal is the inability to reproduce or confirm its origin. Despite repeated attempts, the signal has not been detected again, leaving astronomers with a singular, unexplained event in the vast cosmic archives. Advancements in technology and the development of more sophisticated telescopes have prompted ongoing efforts to search for similar signals. Projects like the Breakthrough Listen initiative aim to scour the cosmos for potential extraterrestrial transmissions, building on the legacy of the WOW signal and pushing the boundaries of our quest to understand the universe's mysteries. The WOW signal, despite its brief and mysterious nature, has left an enduring legacy in the field of astronomy. It serves as a reminder of the vast unknowns that persist in our exploration of the cosmos and the potential for discovery in the most unexpected of moments. As we continue to gaze at the stars and listen to the cosmic symphony, the WOW signal stands as a testament to the boundless mysteries that await our understanding, echoing through the ages as a cosmic enigma that challenges the limits of our knowledge and imagination. Thank you for watching the video. If you have questions, write them in the comments, and also check out our channel. We have some more interesting videos.